Hi love, welcome back to my channel Little Crown Style. Are you that mom that is looking for a beautiful, simple, natural hairstyle for your princess? Watch this video till the end. Let me walk you through on how I style this amazing hairstyle for my daughter. In this hairstyle, all you need is something to beautify your hair and just your rubber band and your styling gel or your edge control. So let's get started. You need some few seconds to moisturize the hair, and you also need some few seconds to comb the hair before you start the sectioning. So I'm going to go ahead and just section the hair from this side down to the other side. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to use edge control to just clear the path, then clear it very well. So, and this hairstyle, I'm not going to be using much of edge control because I moisturize her hair and I applied this natural hair oil that I made myself. So if you'll be following my channel, you will see the video there. So after I done maintaining the parts, which the back, I'm going to just go ahead and section this back straight to the front. It's going to be into two, just like so. So after this, I'm still going to use edge control to also clear the parts. So the reason why I said I'm not going to be using much edge control for this hairstyle, because I have this amazing hairspray that I'm going to use, and this hairspray is just like, I can say, 5 in 1, 6 in 1. It moisturize your hair, keep your hair like shining, and also because it has this natural oil in it. I bought it from Action and I decided to just, okay, let me try it on it, and it works out so well. So in case you are working with maybe edge control or styling gel, and it's recommended you use something like this. And after I apply a little edge control to it, I'm going to go ahead and just comb it with my take comb. And after this, I'm going to use hairbrush to start brushing it, just like so. When I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and use my rubber band to hold the hair. So this is just how we are going to start. And after holding the hair with a rubber band, I'm not going to do it so tight. You know, first of all, she's a child, and we have to be very careful how we hold a child hair, not just because she's a child. As I'm making the hair, we have to protect the hair. You see how long my daughter hair is now. This is not the hair she have from baby. This is the hair I cut her hair because when she was a child, I think till 3 years, she was not allowing me to make her hair, so I cut the hair. So I started it again. Now this hair is not even up to 2 years. So, and one thing I always do, I don't pick front of my kids' hair that much. If you'll be following this channel, you'll see sometimes when I want to pick the hair, I like kind of use my hand to lift some out. Maybe because I'm the one styling their hair, I feel that whenever is rough, I can always make it again. So that is why you see the front of their hair is always very okay. So I will advise, as a mom, you are making your kids hair or you have someone making your child hair, tell them not to pick the front hair that much. If you don't like the look afterwards, you can just use maybe styling gel or edge control to style the hair along with the hair. What I did here, when I'll just go ahead and pack the hair. Then after I hold the hair, just like I think once or twice before, I will add the one I twist first to it. Then I will use rubber band to hold both together. But I'm not going to weave. I'm not going to twist that one along with it. I'm just going to go ahead and twist the one I packed. You see, now I have two. The one I brought from the front and the one I'm doing right now. I'm still going to repeat the same process, which is going to be, I'll add the two as the first one before it get to the third part is going to be short. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add the two But when I'm twisting it, I'm going to twist, which is the one I brought from the front, because now it's kind of short, right? So this is how it looks. So I'm going to just go ahead and twist the one from the front, which is shorter than the one I added from the second part. So I'm going to twist them together like so, just like this. So I'm going to leave the second one aside, just the way I left the first part in the second part. So I'm just going to go ahead and do. So this is the last part. I'll do the second part the same way I do the first part. Okay. So this is what I tell you when I said I didn't use much edge control for this hairstyle. See, this last one I'm doing right now, I didn't even add edge control to it. I just spray it and I use comb to comb it and I brush it. So I'm still going to add the both, but when it comes to when I'm going to twist it, I'm going to use the shorter one, which is the second one that went to the last part. Then I will leave the third one aside. You understand what I'm trying to explain? And yeah, just like if you see the way I do the front. So the reason for this, you see the way the hair look, it looks like as if I weave all the hair, but I didn't weave it. I just like, this is how the style I wanted. So if you see it, you see that the one I always pick the shorter one, which is the one that is coming from afar. So now I'm done with this side, just like so. And like I said, this side and this side is the same thing. Yeah, so like this. So and now let's go ahead and start. I section the back into two, just very simple. Section the back into two. This hairstyle is very easy. And for example, you have birthday party, you are going to church in the morning, you need a very simple hairstyle to make. Or you're going to even marriage, even any occasion, this hairstyle is a perfect hairstyle for all. And just keep watching, let me show you this hair. You can turn it to like 3 different hairstyle. Yes, different hairstyle. So just keep watching and see how I'm going to treat to you how we do this hairstyle. And if this is the first time coming across my channel, thank you for joining the family. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you be part of us. And if you'll be watching my video, thank you so much. And yeah, and I appreciate you for being here always. My new and my old subscriber, I say thank you all. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. And I'm going to use it, I think it's called Kinky Afro or so. I really can't remember the name, but I'm going to be using 3 strands of the hair. I'll be leaving the link down in the comment section. So please feel free to click on the link and buy. Is an Amazon affiliate. And yeah, so I use 3 strands, and what I do, I fold it into 2. So I'm going to just go ahead and remove the tip, because there is kind of, it's meant for dread, and I just go ahead and comb it. So just keep watching and see how we make this hair. Making this part, be sure to leave some hair. Like we want to use rubber band to hold the hair, like I showed. Don't finish it where the natural hair ended. So this will prevent the hair. So this is style number 1. I want you to tell me in the comment section which one you prefer. This is number 1. So I cross it and I pack it. For example, you are a mature person, you make this kind of hairstyle. I prefer this one. Like this one is a go. It looks like your natural hair. You see the way it looks? So this is number 1, and I'm going to just go ahead and start the number 2. So, and I just remove the hair. See where our hair is? So now I'm going to use my hair packer to just go ahead and keep using it to roll it until it's tight. Like I force the last part on it. So I just keep doing it until I force the last one, like so. So this way it will make it stand the way you style it. You see the way it is. So if you didn't do it tight, it will be falling off. All right. So see, that is a natural hair there. So the same thing. So this is style number two. Because of the way I held it tight, you see how it is. And yeah, so tell me, do you prefer the first one or the second one? So after this now, and because she's a child, I can leave it like this if I want to, but I wanted to just wrap it, to make it look more natural. But if it's me, I prefer to leave it to fly it. But because she's a child, I decided to just, okay, let me pack it. So I first of all use it to wrap the natural hair, which is the part that I weaved. So I just used to round the other one, put my hand under the one I packed, and use to round it again. Is what I'm doing right now. I am securing it. So when I'm done, I'm going to use, I think this pin, no, I'm going to use it to just secure it to this place. It's done. And yeah, if you're watching my TikTok video, you'll see my daughter, because most of the time we do a lot of hair stuff, a lot of playing together in my TikTok video. So you'll see she's still carrying this hair, and this hair is still very okay. So after I finished the first part, I did the same thing with the second part. What I do, when you finish holding the hair, make sure you twist the tip so that everything will join together. So I use different thing this time, and I'm just going to turn her a little bit so you see where I ended the hair. So I'm going to twist it again just like so, and I'm going to use the hair, what is this, hairpin, or I don't know what they call this thing, but I just like it. I'm going to use to secure it here. So I'm going to use the other pin to start securing the hair. This hairstyle, guys, is painless and is everything. It's just it's so natural. It looks so natural and it's so beautiful. So maybe because of the extension, I used to extend the hair, but the hair looks so pretty. My daughter was walking on the street, people keep complimenting her. In this country where we are, which is Germany, you hardly see people complimenting you. People always minding their business and all that. So before someone could open their mouth and to tell you that, wow, your child hair is beautiful, you know that you have done an amazing job. I'm telling you. So this how it is. So I asked her to shake her head to see that it is not falling off. See, it's not falling off. So this is just what I wanted. So you can leave it like this. You can add something to it. This is just me making it extra, just adding some pin to it. Voila, this is just the hairstyle I want. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you like this hairstyle? Are you going to try it on your child? And if you do, if you have done it before, how is it? And I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until then, remain blessed, and once again, thanks for being here. I love you guys. Bye bye.